Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing you how to make homemade glazed donuts. So we have 2/3 cups of milk and you want to make sure it's at 105 to 110 Fahrenheit. And then you want to add in the granulated sugar, baby. And then you're going to add in half a teaspoon of granulated sugar and 1 packet of rapid rise instant yeast. And then just give that a little mix. And then just put that aside. So now for the dry ingredients, I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and add it, baby. And then you're just going to mix it together. So now for the wet ingredients, we're going to add in 2 room temperature eggs. Go ahead and add them in. Good job. 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix together. Uh-oh, she's mad. And then pour this in. Now you're going to add in the dry ingredients. And you're going to mix it in. Then transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and gonna knead for about 5 minutes or until the dough is smooth and slightly sticky to the touch. Okay, and then you're gonna place it in a lightly oiled bowl and then you're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and let rise for about 45 minutes. At least until it's doubled in size. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Then it's time to cut out your donuts. I love using this donut cutter. I'll make sure to leave a link for this in the description below. Then transfer them to a parchment-lined baking sheet, and you should get about 12 to 14 donuts with this recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Cover them and let rise for another 45 minutes. In a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat, add about 2 inches of oil, and you want to heat it up until it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add in your donuts and fry them until golden brown, about 1 minute per side. And transfer them to a wire rack. Now it's time to make that delicious glaze. In a medium mixing bowl, I have 3 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix together until smooth. Dip your donuts into the glaze and make sure to flip them over to fully coat them on both sides. Transfer the donuts back onto the wire rack.
That was so good. Yummy? What do you give it, a thumbs up? Ah! Knocked it out of the park, man.
Thank you. Okay, wave to the camera. Bye! Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all from the next video. Thanks for watching.